let's see what's there to explore in Kochi. Bye. Okay guys, so now after completing our Cordelia trip, finally here we are in Kochi. Our destination was Kochi and we reached. After getting down, we came for a one-day Kochi trip, and directly from cruise terminal we came to Fort Kochi.
And before that we met our friend Sumit.
Yeah,
So we borrowed his car and अभी हम लोग घूम रहे हैं कोची में इधर उधर and we are near this beach area.
So here you can see this is the Chinese fishing net, through which they are catching up the fresh fishes. And here in Kochi there is a concept where you can just buy a live fish and then give it to the restaurant people, and they'll grill the fish or whatever dish you want. They'll prepare it for you, fresh fish. Really nice, and enjoying this a lot. Have a look.
So this is the restaurant that we were talking about. Not a restaurant, but
So guys, now we are going to go around entire day through the beach and do some beach shopping. As you can see, I love this, roaming around beaches, eating fresh fishes, and then doing street shopping.
yeah. So today we'll show you the raw Kochi.
Yeah.
So not the restaurant, the good areas and in the good areas. I mean, not the areas which are posh and all. This is the heart of Kochi. You will see a lot of these posh shops here. Just have a look at this beach area. This is
So we are enjoying this view like anything. It's the beautiful view, as you can see. Rocks and sea and beach. Wow, it's amazing.
हम लोग 3-4 दिन से पानी के गिरे हुए हैं और अभी वापस बीच में बदल लगे the IT world that we are in से बाहर निकल गए see the view. এদিক ঘুরো চুলটা ইয়ে করো
हेलो दोस्तों, तो हम कोची के एकदम एंड पॉइंट पे खड़े हैं फोर्ट कोची में, where there is water everywhere. So I will just show you the view. Yeah. Can you tell something?
It's a bright sunny day. Okay. And we are here. See the view.
You can see how the sea is hitting the rocks so hardly.
Danger area. Don't take part here. Nobody is taking. we are near to this area and यहाँ हम लोग सब खाया and अब हम लोग just time pass कर रहे हैं. काफ़ी टाइम है अपने पास और we catch our flight. You can spend nice time here. If you have a layover, you can come here and relax. So we are in the shopping street.
Let's explore some street shopping and do some shopping for our. And basically in Niladri we are going to buy a fridge magnet so that we have a collection already wherever whichever place we go, so we collect something from there and we are going to buy a fridge magnet. Let's see. Come. Between these two. So let us know in the comment section which one is good. Although Niladri is liking this more. Let's take this one. And one more we'll take for Kochi.
I've taken this.
For Kochi also we are going to take. Let's see. I'm selecting. I think this is good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. So this is a shop for you can buy these dresses. Very unique looking. The designs are you won't find anywhere else in this.
ये कितना है भैया?
इसका 250.
See these pants. Oh, it's a big shop. काफी कुछ है. Kaftan. You can buy from here. There's a lot of different collection that is here. Different designs. She's liking this one, I guess.
No, I want to take a short one. I'll ask if they have a short for this.
Let's go out. This is the shop for souvenirs, fridge magnets. All these things are here. You can buy a lot of things here with which you can decorate your house. This is the name of the shop. See these things, classy ones.
So guys, we got a small Ganesha. I'll show you just for our car. See? For black interiors, I took a black Ganesha. And then we had snacks over here. Old Harbour Hotel. This is amazing. And we had pastas and garlic bread. It was so yum. Now we are going to the Lulu Mall. So come, let's go with us. So guys, now we are heading towards Lulu Mall. And I have heard that it is one of the biggest malls here in Kochi. So we are heading there. Basically there we'll do some sort of shopping and our lunch there as well. So let's see. Here are our friends. Say hello. Hi. Okay, Aniladri is driving as you can see. So yeah, let's go.
Like,
So our friends have to say something to you.
share, subscribe.
Comment as well and do not
the bell
forget
icon.
to ring the bell icon. Yay! So here we are and we are about to reach in another 5 minutes. Guys, finally we are here into the mall, going towards the entrance. Yeah, chalo, we'll take you along with us. So first we are going to visit the Apple store. We are going to check the new Apple iPhone 14 Pro, and so there only we are heading. We'll show you next up there. We'll meet you next up there. Yeah. How is it?
Nice.
So we had Kerala biryani for lunch, and then
Yeah.
हम लोग अभी कुछ ड्रिंक्स पीने आए हैं, and this is the shop from where we are buying. This is a must try if you are here. Juices and tender coconut, everything.
We ordered avocado milkshake and tender coconut milkshake, right?
Right. So we met with Sumit after he was done with his work in the evening. We spent a lot of good time in a cafe. Now we are heading towards.
So finally we reached Kochi airport, and it's time for us to depart from Kochi, and we have a flight for Bangalore at 10:40. I'll just show you around this airport. Kochi airport is so beautiful, you know. I'll just show you around. Just look at it. See, the architecture is so good, no? See, it's like some 5-star hotel. Beautiful. And this is just the, you know, what to say, departure, yeah. Domestic departure, yeah. And there is 2 more terminal 2, 3, which is for, you know, yeah, see, as you can see, international. Okay, let's go inside. Now we came here to check in. We are doing self check-in. It saves a lot of time, guys, let me tell you. Yeah, this is beautiful. Kochi airport is very beautiful. See, these people are gathered and doing the self check-in. Web check-in we already did, just taking the boarding pass. So now we are going to the lounge in Kochi airport. As our flight is delayed, you know, sad part, our flight is delayed by 1.5 hours. So instead of waiting downstairs, we came upstairs to the lounge, and the name is Earth Lounge. Kochi airport is very beautiful, guys. I'm loving this airport. So we are going to the lounge. Let's see the view. Amazing, no? So it was a very tiring day. Entire day we roamed like anything. We met our college friend and went to beautiful cafes, roamed around in Kochi, and this is my 4th time in Kochi, I would say. Yeah, 3rd or 4th, yeah, 4th time. and as usual, I like Kochi a lot. I would say that how much ever times I come here, I feel like I'm not getting bored of the same places. It's very beautiful. I enjoy visiting Kochi. So okay, guys, signing off for today, and we'll just continue, and I'll try to show all the videos and photos to you, to every one of each one of you, through our entire trip in Cordelia cruise from Chennai to Kochi, how we went, what all we did, and all the activities, dance shows, everything, and we'll make videos out of it. Maybe it will come in 2 to 3 parts, but yeah, we'll cover everything. So signing off, guys. Bye bye.